Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a local admin account, and a recent system restore point in case you need to revert. Open Settings, go to System then Storage to see drive usage and percent free. Once done, empty the recycle bin and launch disk cleanup for temporary files. Choose Delete System Files if prompted. Make sure to close all active apps and disconnect external drives so files aren't locked. Now you're ready to move into deeper cleaning steps. Next, focus on structural cleanup. Enable and configure Storage Sense to remove temp files and manage downloads automatically, adjusting cadence to your workflow. Then go to Settings, Apps and Features, sort by size, and remove seldom used programs to reclaim gigabytes. Once done, move large folders, documents, photos, videos, to another internal drive or cloud storage. Make symbolic links with mclink for seamless access if you prefer. Finally, run a second disk cleanup pass. Finish by optimizing and verifying. If you use an HDD, run defragmenter to consolidate free space. For SSDs, avoid defrag and instead use optimize to trim. After that, check storage settings once more and create a new restore point. If space still seems low, run a visual analyzer like WinDirstat to locate oversized folders and orphan files. If something goes wrong, use System Restore or the Reset options, but first back up critical data to an external drive or cloud. This single precaution prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.